Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. So this is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Okay, so we are starting out with Nifty. So Nifty, I've marked all the important levels now. This is on a daily time frame. So in 15 minutes time frame, let's go deeper and see what is the action I'm gonna do. In daily time frame, if you see, market is taking a pause here. Okay, until and unless 19,850 is not broken, I'm not looking forward to buy anything because I feel like it is becoming negative now. That is what is the price action saying, because see 1 2 and this is the third touch. So if market anywhere opens near 19,700 or 19,720, I'll be looking forward to sell it. So, or if market opens anywhere near 19,680 or somewhere, I'll be looking forward to sell it. Okay, so this is my selling position for tomorrow. Buying, I don't have any idea as of now, because the market looks like kind of negative, so I'm only looking forward to sell. So next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, we had a stop loss hit in the morning, and after that market did not come to my level, so I didn't short it. If you see this, it was totally on sideways. So tomorrow again, if it comes anywhere near 43,520, I'll definitely short it, and my target will be 43,300 or 305, 310, somewhere else, square it off. Okay, so and if you guys see, this is a trend line which it is respecting and following. Can't pull a trend line from here because it's too sharp and it's too steep. I don't do this a lot, so I would prefer this trend line as of now. Next is US oil. US oil, today in the morning we got a setup, that is 8 in the morning it got triggered, and I entered somewhere on 9:45, somewhere I entered, and my stop loss got hit here. Then what happened again at 2:45? Okay, 2:45 I got another entry here, and my stop loss was this was my stop loss. In this is 25 point stop loss has gotten hit, but if you see it on this one, my stop loss did not get hit. So I entered here and my stop loss was here. Okay, that is what I entered on 6414, and my stop loss was on 6386. And what happened, my trailing stop loss got hit here. I had a small loss and it got recovered here, and I made a small profit. So these are my trailing stop losses. These black lines are my trailing stop losses. Now we again have an entry here according to the price action on the higher lows and high. Here I can definitely enter and I can hold it till this, but because I'm done for the day, I don't want to trade anymore. So tomorrow's action is if it crosses anywhere 6,600, okay, or let me show it here. If it crosses anywhere $78.70, I will definitely buy it and hold it till $82. Okay, so next is gold. Gold is giving us a good gold morning. We had a stop loss hit. Now again we entered, prices here, might hit the stop loss. It's totally fine. We can if it's a stop loss, it's totally fine. I don't have an issue because this is our setup. If our setup is here, we trade. That's it. Okay, key level setup. I'll tag the video on the last 20 seconds, so you guys will get the link. You guys can watch that and learn it. So we have 4 stocks for swing trading. One is Reliance Industries. Reliance Industry looks like it is going to start going up now, because see, shoulder, head and shoulder. Neckline is trying to break the neckline. If the neckline is broken, then we can definitely look forward for an upside momentum. Okay, so this is for Reliance Industries. So if it crosses anywhere around 2,370, I will look forward to buy it, and my first target will be around 2,480. Second will be 2,580. Third is at all-time high, that is 2,620. Okay, so these are the targets for me. Reliance Industry is a very good stock. I trade regularly, so this is not a tip or an advice. This is just my view on market. I'm gonna trade all the stocks. Okay, next one is Info Edge. Info Edge on a weekly time frame, it is on a good resistance. So if you guys see 1 2 actually 3 resistance has been retested. So now this resistance is weak. So if it crosses anywhere around 4950, I will definitely look forward to buy it, and my first target will be 5850. Then if the price action continues, second target will be 6580, and third one will be 7000. I'll square it off because being too much greedy is not something good. So next one, Creative. Okay, Creative is a good stock. I've traded it already. Here I traded it somewhere here on 21. I remember trading it. Here we have a small pattern of Thor and a flag. I traded it. I held it till here. It gave a good risk to reward ratio. If you guys see, this is a trend line. Trend line got breached. Now it has crossed its all-time high, and it's here. So tomorrow, if I'm expecting a profit booking tomorrow, so it might come anywhere close to this, half the way to this candle, that is 800 to 830. If I get it, I will definitely buy it and hold it. This is a long-term stock for me, so I will buy it and hold it. Okay, so next is Hero MotoCorp. Hero MotoCorp has it has given up. This is not a exact profit booking, but it's a small pullback in a smaller time frame. On a daily time frame, it's a small pullback. So whoever is entering can enter at 345 somewhere, and stop loss is kind of big, 3186, and it might take time to go. This is a slow moving stock, but it's a good stock. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like my video. If you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. And tomorrow another strategy will be uploaded. Please watch that too, and I will link the key level setup on this page so you guys can watch it and trade it. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.